natural
Lighting options. So this is a great way to kind of enhance your landscape and also allow you to enjoy it a little bit more at night. So we'll start over here. I love undercap lights on hardscapes. This is really great for nighttime, especially if you have seating walls or you have stairs. They fit right underneath that cap, illuminate a very wide area. Great for safety as well, just an overall kind of elegant design. We do have some cool LEDs shining onto our water feature, which is great. It's going to enhance that at nighttime. Moving into some more landscape lighting, you've got your standard up lights. We have a couple different path light options. I really like this one. This is a newer one. So it's this really cool little bended arc. You get a lot of great light off of that. This is all coastal source, which we're a dealer for. The great thing about that is that it's not your standard wiring. It's actually kind of a plug and play system. This can actually withstand being underwater submerged. So it's a great option down here at the coast or an area where you may think you have some water that's going to get up in there. These are all corrosion resistant. They're going to withstand years and years. And we also have been putting in these sconce lights. This is a new sconce light for us. So very minimal design. Going to give you a lot of light onto your post of your pergola or on a fence or an area like that. So a lot of great lighting options we have here at Rockaway. Feel free to come see us and talk to us about it.